Introducing UPSight, a smart, native UPS monitoring app for Android. If you manage servers, networking gear, or any critical equipment protected by an uninterruptible power supply, UPSight gives you real-time visibility into every detail: battery charge, load, voltage, runtime, outlets, events, all from your phone. It connects directly to your UPS over SNMP, no cloud required. Let's take a tour. Here's the dashboard, your home screen. At the top, a summary bar shows your total device count, how many are online, and how many have active alerts. Below that, filter chips let you quickly sort by status: all, online, on battery, or alerts. Each UPS appears as a card showing the device name, IP address, and the four most important metrics at a glance: battery percentage, load percentage, input voltage, and estimated runtime remaining. In this case, our CyberPower PR1500RT2U is sitting at 100% battery, 25% load, 121 volts input, and 39 minutes of runtime. One screen, everything you need to know. Tap into a device and you land on the Overview tab. This is the deep dive. At the top, a power flow diagram visually maps how electricity moves from the grid at 121 volts through the UPS in online mode to your load at 26%. Below that, battery and load gauges give you an instant read. Runtime shows 43 minutes of backup power remaining. And the key metrics section lays out input voltage, output voltage, frequency at 60 Hz, and temperature. Scroll down and you'll see total power consumption at 359 watts and current draw at 2.9 amps. Everything updates in real time based on your polling interval. The Power tab breaks down the electrical details. Input power shows your incoming utility voltage as a visual bar, 121.2 volts at 60 Hz, with current at 2.9 amps and zero line bads. Scroll down to output power, and you see the UPS delivering 121.2 volts at 60 Hz to your equipment. Load is at 25%, current is 3.1 amps, power is 356 watts, apparent power is 376 VA, and efficiency is 100%. If you care about power quality, and you should, this tab has everything. The battery tab centers on a big, beautiful circular gauge, 100% charged, 43 minutes of runtime. Below that, battery details show voltage at 54.8 volts, temperature at 48 degrees Celsius, and a normal status badge. At the bottom, a self-test section lets you trigger a battery self-test right from the app with one tap. No need to walk over to the rack or log into a web interface. That's the kind of convenience that makes UPSight worth having on your phone. The Outlets tab shows all 15 controllable outlets on this UPS, each with a toggle switch. You can see which outlets are on and which are off, giving you the ability to manage individual loads remotely. Over on the Events tab, UPSight logs every significant event, status changes, connections, alerts, with timestamps so you have a complete audit trail. The main events screen in the bottom navigation aggregates events across all your devices, grouped by device name and IP address. And there's an export button at the top for downloading your event history. In Settings, you have full control over the app experience. Appearance lets you choose System, Light, or Dark theme. Temperature units toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Display size ranges from small to extra large. You can even customize the bottom navigation bar. Under Monitoring, the default poll interval is 30 seconds, with the default SNMP community string set to public and version set to V2C. Notifications are built in, enable alerts for power events, and configure thresholds. The Data section lets you export and import device configurations and clear event history. Everything you need to tailor UPSight to your setup. UPSight, smart UPS monitoring, right from your pocket. Whether you manage one UPS or a dozen, UPSight gives you the visibility and control you need. No cloud, no subscriptions, just a direct SNMP connection to your hardware. Available now on Google Play and the App Store. Search UPSight or visit MiyaraHub.com for more. Built with love by MiyaraHub Technologies.